Good morning. All right, so we're going to talk about the day of the week. So we know that yesterday was Tuesday. So I'm going to grab my Tuesday. Tuesday begins with a T sound. Oh, well, I know that this word begins with a T. So yesterday was Tuesday, which means that today is Wednesday. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. You're right. So tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's go to our calendar. So I'm going to pull up one of these squares and we're going to see what today's date is. So yesterday was Tuesday, September 15th. Today is Wednesday, September 16th. I know that it's a Wednesday because it says it right up here at the top of our calendar. So that's how we can tell what day of the week it is. And then the number tells us the exact date, September 16th. Let's count how many days we've been in school. So here was the first day of school on the 8th. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've been in school a total of 7 days. So I'm going to look at my hundreds chart and I'm going to try to find that number 7. Do you think it will be near the top of the chart or near the bottom of the chart? Definitely near the top of the chart because 7 is a pretty small number and this chart goes up to 100. I found it. So we have been in school for 7 days so far. If I was going to make that number 7 with my base 10 blocks, I would pull out 7 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's count to make sure I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Next, you're going to listen to a story, a read aloud. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.